I'm going to show you how to fit a ceiling rose, one of these, onto here with a nice neat finish. All the cables are nice and tidy. You will only get one cable crossed over, that's it. If you've got your standard feed in, feed out and switch line. Right. Let's just untape these. Right. The way I mark my cables as well is that the feeds have nothing on, they're just plain, just cut cables. And the switch line, the way I mark it is put a slice up the middle. Most electricians do that. If not, you can write on it. It really makes no difference. It's just easier if you're cutting the cable and just put a nick in it. Right, okay. So the first thing we do is fit the base of the ceiling rose. So I'm going to screw that. Undo that. You could either unscrew these, take this out completely, or just leave it hanging. It makes no difference. There's wood above here, so I can just drill straight into the wood. There's one. There's two. That's all nice and tight. Okay. Right, the next stage is your organisation. So the way I fitted it is the two terminals where the live is. You've got one spare terminal next to this one, which is your switch line. That's where it goes to bring the light on. So that would be this cable here. One of those cables, one of the cores out of that cable, which will obviously be the blue marked up brown. So that one's going to be on this side, and these two are feeds. So they're just going to have the loop, which is basically the permanent, and the neutral. That's all they're going to go. Now the next stage is making sure that the coloured cores are in the right direction to the terminals. So this one, the blue is on the left, which is neutral, and that one, the blue is on the left. And your switch line, you want the blue on your right, because that is your switch line, and the other one's the permanent. So it's a permanent line. So it's going to be basically like that. Okay. So we'll start to strip them. Now at this stage when you're stripping, it doesn't make too many odds, but if you've written on the cable, you know which one the switch line is. Obviously I'm stripping all three and I've not remarked anything, so people think, well, how do you know which one your switch line is next? But obviously I've either arranged it here, even if they get mixed up, you know, I've twisted it so the blue is on the outside, which is what I want. They're different to these two, so I know that cable is my switch line now. Worst case scenario, they will twist around again. You just get a test meter, a continuity test meter, and switch the light switch on, so it joins the permanent live to the switch live back, and basically you put the test meter on your ends, switch to, and it should make continuity. Turn the switch off, it should break it. Just do that on all three and you'll find it. So it's pretty simple to find if you have any troubles with that. Now at this stage there's a couple of options. You could either do your earths first or last. It makes no odds really. I think for this one I'll do them first. Now, some people some people sleeve them individually, obviously at a short length. Sleeve them individually, which I do quite often. Also, what you can do is twist them all together, and then you know that you've got all three. It depends on how many cables you've got really. If it's for free, it's fine. Just twist them up, and you get a nice continuity between all the earths. So when you put it in the terminal, not one of them is going to come loose. Now, when you do, you'd only do this in like ceiling roses or light fittings, because it's very rare that you'll need to split these cables. If you do, then you can always untwist them, but if you do need to split them, then it'll be more so for fault finding. But to be honest, when you're fault finding, you don't really need to split your earths on here. On a ring main, on your sockets, you never twist your earths together on a socket, because if you need to split legs to find them, you need to separate your earths. So we never do that, and in the fuse board we never do it. So it's just light fittings. It just makes a nice neat job. So that can just be obviously sleeved. Okay, sort of been measured out to that. There. You can then get one sleeve which will go right up. Obviously cover as much as you can of that earth. Like the CPC. Technical term. So you could either do the earth first or last. It really makes no odds, to be honest. Whatever works for you. Okay, so now, obviously this will go a lot quicker. I'm just explaining to you. These are all going to be the same length. The only one that you're going to get crossing is this neutral here. Is going to cross over that line. That's the only crossover you're going to get. But basically, every single one of these cores are going to be the same length. So you measure them out to just below the terminal there. Make sure you've got enough slack before you cut them. And then what I do is just snip them all. It's nice and quick when you do this. I need cut flexing. Strip them all, not too long, not too short, roughly. Before you put it away, don't forget to sleeve your switch line. So, bit of brown sleeving, or if you haven't got brown sleeving, just use a bit of brown tape. But sleeving is a neat job. And then that's it really, just one at a time. Put your cores into your feeding rows, making sure that you're right in there holding it. You do it tight, and then work your way through. Try and do all the terminals. If you've got an apprentice with you or anything like that, and you're going around sector fixing and like he's learning, watching you do it, just get him to start undoing the terminals, preparing the ceiling rows for you, and it'll go a lot quicker as well. And then you can show him what to do. There's that one. There's that one. So remember what I said, you can have one crossover. So it's live. It's going to go into there. And neutral into there. Feed on out. And then your last one, right at the end, light terminal. onto that. Now that made with a nice, neat ceiling rose. Yeah, that's good. It's a good second fix. That. And then you put your flex back on, and spin your cap. That's it. Put your lamp in. Job done.